Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Skytypers Air Show Team. What they do is they fly Grumman Tigers in formation, and they become a smoke matrix printer in the sky. I think you'll find out this be very interesting. I was able to talk to Anthony, the hangar manager, the other day. He needed some air vents for the front of a Grumman Tiger, and I sold him a set. And then I also asked him to send me some behind-the-scene photos and a little bit of information to share with you guys. So please enjoy this about Skytypers Air Show Team. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Skytyping is an aerial advertising company, and we use 5 aircraft that fly in a frontline formation, making letters as tall as the Empire State Building, and messages that expand up to 5 miles in length. It's a blessing to be in a family business like this with this much history behind it. It's almost 70 plus years that my family's been involved, not only from an aviation side, but also from an advertising side. It's fun. It's cool. Going out there and performing the job. I think it's all about the mission and being successful.
Well, we hope you found that useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying.